We have gathered reviews from all over the internet, and this is what users are saying about the Vankor Camping Cooler Backpack 30 cans, a soft backpack cooler that is insulated, leak-proof, waterproof, and designed for travel, lunch, picnics, beach trips, work, and more. If you own this item, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The product link is in the description, and using it supports the channel. The Vankor Camping Cooler Backpack is designed to address the common need for keeping food and beverages cold or warm for extended periods. Whether you are heading to work, planning a picnic, going on a beach trip, or embarking on a camping adventure, this cooler backpack stands out for its versatility, capacity, and thoughtful design, making it a popular choice among outdoor enthusiasts and everyday users alike. One of the most notable features of the Vankor Cooler Backpack is its substantial storage capacity. With the ability to hold up to 30 cans, it offers ample space for a variety of drinks, snacks, and meals. Users consistently praise the vertical design, which makes the bag taller than many similar models. This extra height allows for stacking cans and bottles efficiently, making it easier to organize contents and maximize space. The main compartment is spacious enough to accommodate not only beverages, but also ice packs and food containers, making it suitable for family outings or group activities. The multi-purpose storage options further enhance the backpack's usability. In addition to the main insulated compartment, there are 2 side mesh pockets that are ideal for holding beer, wine, or water bottles. The front pocket is designed for smaller items such as tissue packs, wipes, snacks, or a cell phone. This thoughtful arrangement of pockets ensures that users can keep their essentials organized and easily accessible without having to rummage through the main compartment. Many reviewers appreciate the convenience of these pockets, although some have expressed a desire for an additional pocket on the top flap, which would provide even more storage flexibility. Durability and construction quality are recurring themes in user feedback. The Vankor Cooler Backpack is made from high-quality polyester material featuring sturdy stitching and a premium leak-proof PIVA lining. The hot, seamless pressing technology used in the lining is intended to keep food fresh and maintain the desired temperature for drinks, whether cold or warm. Users report that the bag feels well-made and robust, capable of withstanding the rigors of outdoor use, travel, and daily commuting. The zippers are described as smooth and reliable, contributing to the overall sense of quality and longevity. The leak-proof claim is a key selling point, and while many users have found the bag to perform well in this regard, there are some mixed experiences. Several reviewers note that the bag holds up well against minor spills and condensation, with water beading off the exterior and the interior remaining dry under normal conditions. However, a few users have encountered issues when using loose ice or when ice packs leak inside the bag. In these cases, some moisture has managed to escape, resulting in a damp exterior or wet clothing. It appears that the bag is most effective at containing liquids when used with well-sealed ice packs rather than loose ice, which may melt and create excess water. This is an important consideration for potential buyers who plan to use the backpack in situations where it may be jostled or turned upside down. Comfort is another area where the Vankor Cooler Backpack receives high marks. The backpack straps are padded and adjustable, allowing users to carry the bag for extended periods without discomfort. The back panel features a mesh design that promotes airflow, reducing heat buildup and making the backpack more comfortable to wear in warm weather. Users who have taken the bag on hikes, day trips, and sporting events report that it remains comfortable even when fully loaded. Its lightweight construction, at just over 1 pound, ensures that the bag itself does not add unnecessary bulk or weight to your load. The bag's waterproof exterior is a practical feature, particularly for outdoor use. Users find that the material is easy to wipe clean and water simply runs off the surface, keeping the contents dry even in wet conditions. This makes the backpack suitable for a variety of environments, from kayaking and boating to picnics and beach outings. The ability to fold the bag flat when not in use is another advantage, as it can be stored conveniently in a closet, car trunk, or suitcase without taking up much space. Performance-wise, the Vankor Cooler Backpack excels at keeping items cold for several hours, especially when used with high-quality ice packs. Reviewers frequently mention that their drinks and food remain chilled for 6 hours or more, even in hot weather. The insulation is effective at preserving temperature, and the bag's design minimizes heat transfer. Some users have reported that ice remains partially frozen at the end of a long day, which speaks to the bag's thermal efficiency. For those who need to keep items warm, the insulation works in both directions, although most feedback focuses on cold retention. The backpack's versatility is highlighted by its wide range of applications. It is suitable for camping, hiking, road trips, beach days, work lunches, sporting events, and more. Users appreciate its adaptability, noting that it can transition seamlessly from a lunch bag for work to a cooler for outdoor adventures. The unisex design and neutral color scheme make it appealing to a broad audience, and the all-season style ensures it can be used year-round. Affordability is another factor that contributes to the backpack's popularity. Many reviewers consider it to be a great value for the price, offering features and performance that rival more expensive brands. The combination of capacity, durability, and insulation makes it a cost-effective solution for those who need a reliable cooler bag without breaking the bank. Despite its many strengths, the Vankor Cooler Backpack is not without its drawbacks. As mentioned earlier, the leak-proof feature may not be foolproof in all situations, particularly when using loose ice or if an ice pack ruptures. Some users have experienced sweating or condensation on the exterior, which can lead to damp clothing if the bag is carried against the body for long periods. While the majority of users find the bag comfortable, a few have noted that it can become heavy when fully loaded, especially for extended hikes or walks. The lack of a top lid pocket is a minor inconvenience for those who like to keep small items within easy reach. In summary, the Vankor Camping Cooler Backpack 30 cans is a well-designed, versatile, and affordable solution for anyone who needs to keep food and drinks cold or warm on the go. Its spacious main compartment, multiple pockets, durable construction, and effective insulation make it a favorite among campers, hikers, travelers, and everyday users. While there are some minor issues with leak proofing and condensation, these are outweighed by the bag's overall performance and convenience. If you are looking for a practical and reliable cooler backpack for your next adventure or daily routine, the Vankor model is a strong contender. Don't forget to check the product link in the description and leave your own review in the comments to help others make the best choice.